All right, this 1966 Fender Bassman has just been fully restored. We've left in the CBS output circuit changes, which add a considerable amount of negative feedback over the pre-CBS model. We're just going to listen to this thing as what a perfectly healthy, fully restored 1966 Fender Bassman should sound like. Only changes from how this would have been set up in 1966 is we've actually added a adjustable fixed bias like the pre-CBS ones had, so that we can run these tubes at the correct operating level, which you want to do these days because tubes are not as cheap as they were in 1966. All right, without further ado, here is the amplifier on 3. That's a lot different than before. Same as before, we're listening to it now at a volume level of 7. That's a completely transformed amplifier. A lot more power, a lot more gain. Of course, that's dimed. Much improved.